Okay, quick video on I've had a big market gap down recently. I bust my trading account on Monday. No one watches these vlogs, I just make them for myself, which is so I can look back and see when my balance bust. But today is Tuesday, whatever it is, the 20th, I think, of July. Excuse the fake background noise. Today is July 20th, 2021. Big gap down on July 19th, Monday. I bust my balance. I may make a video about it. I had 6,600 Facebook options. And I bought them on Friday. But I bought them last Thursday. The new option has just started, so I bought my options for the whole month. And I was actually going to swing trade the options for much of the month. But because when you buy a few options, the more you buy, the faster the trade moves. Excuse me, great cups. So when you get, yes, you can make money quite quickly on more options if you're in the right trade and it's going the right way for you. But it can half go fast in reverse. And it went fast in reverse on Monday. It went fast in reverse Thursday, Friday and Monday. Most people will be in stop losses, but they reckon they can tell who's in the market. They can plan the market as to, they can see where the stop losses are. So the problem with my trade was Thursday. My trade went down like that. Yeah, I made a video on it, I think, and I was stuck in a position that my trade come back on. Yeah, to about 85% of the loss, just 15% down, which was okay. So I thought Friday it might just go up a bit, yeah, from the day before. Yeah. No, Friday it went straight down again. Yeah. And on Friday evening, I'd already lost some money, so I couldn't really close the account because I was already in not negative equity, but it was more. It was only in my mind because I was in a trade with options, an options trade with margin and leverage. So I was down here. The trade was down here. Right, yeah? So it gone. The trade had gone Thursday, Friday, and it stayed down here. So I thought, well, I couldn't do anything. I'd lost all the money in that. I started on Thursday with 50% availability, so I had 50% to absorb. Yeah, which should have been okay. You need about 80%, really, 80%, 85% balance. Available balance, I only had 50%. So I bought too many options, really. I should have actually reduced the options to about 3,000, for about 2,500, 3,000, but 6,000 was nice. Because if it was going to go that way, it'd have been alright. But it didn't, it went that way. So on the Monday, so I was here with like below it was negative equity because I was below minus 13,000 and I only had 12,500 equity. So I was thinking on Monday it may just gap up slightly, bring me back into profit, and I can close the trade. But Monday was the big. So I held the trade over the weekend, no stop loss. And on Monday, so my trade was here. Instead of actually going here, the trade went. that's the balance gone. So the trade was my 6,600 options that I bought on Thursday bust the balance on market open Monday, which went to that Facebook trade was minus £24,000 in 3 days. Not my best trade ever, it's fair to say, but and I didn't have a stop loss. And you could say, yeah, why didn't you have a stop loss? Yes, But if I'd have had a stop loss, yes, I wouldn't have plummeted down 3 times. If I'd have had 80% balance, available balance, I would still be in the trade. The trade I was in the right stock. Basically, if $1 trillion company goes bust, we're in problems. If a person with in excess of 50 billion plus in his back pocket, or personal wealth, and a co-founder of $1 trillion company, if they've got problems, the world's got problems. So I was in the right stock. I had the right amount of options. I didn't put a stop loss on the trade, which people will say, why didn't you do that? Because if it went that way, it would have stopped me out. The stop loss would have stopped me out. And for all those who are actually in the best trade was in the same stock, Facebook. Well, not the best trade, but a good trade to have been in would have been Facebook. The same amount of options that I was in, but on a option put, which is making money when it goes down, and not have a stop loss, which means that you'd have carried on making money. If you had a stop loss, the stop loss would have stopped you out of the trade and stopped you from making even more money. But people wouldn't know that. And this has affected even those that short trade, making money, who are massive fans of making money on the red line when it goes down, instead of I make money on the green line when it goes up. And even the professional short traders, because they've got stop losses in, the stop losses prevented them from making even more money. That's what stop losses stop loss, but they stop profit too, and that's just the profit. You'll hear background noise, but I can't help that. Adios.